Let us see the sixth question, how he is asking us. Please look at the sixth question. These are all important models, please concentrate on them. The sixth question is, find equation of tangent and normal to y square is equal to 6x at the positive end of latus rectum. Look at the question, feel it. Before attempting any question, it is a rule that you should understand it. So let me explain you. Find the equation of tangent and normal to y square is equal to 6x at the positive end of latus rectum. Did you understand this question? Let me explain you one visual diagram. This is your parabola. This is the latus rectum. What are the latus rectum endings? We will call them as L and L dash. He is asking the tangent equation, normal equation. Here, this is a visual representation to understand, to make you clear. Now, for answering all this, we are not required. We don't require this. Our 4a is 6. Comparing with this, a is 3 by 2. So, end of latus rectum is a comma 2a. That is 3 by 2 comma 3. That is, we have to find normal and tangent at 3 by 2 comma 3 to y square is equal to 6x. We will do that. Just we will write simply. And now look at this carefully, step by step. The point is 3 by 2 comma 3. The point is 3 by 2 comma 3. Just have a look at this. Point is 3 by 2 comma 3. Curve is y square is equal to 6x is the curve. Point is 3 by 2 comma 3. Okay, please, this is the way we have to get it. Point is 3 by 2 comma 3. Curve is y square is equal to 6x. Point is 3 by 2 comma 3. Look at these three things. And the point is on the curve very well, because if you put 3 by 2, you are getting 3 by 2, 9, 9. Right. Now, tangent equation is S1 is equal to 0. Tangent equation is S1 is equal to 0. What is S1? y1 is equal to 3 into x plus x1. Here, for this particular curve, S1 is this, and my x1, y1 are these. And the beauty is, for tangent, tangent equation in ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, circle, in all the four cases, it S1 is equal to 0 only. So, y into y1, that is 3, 3 into x plus 3 by 2, tangent equation. This 3 is cancelled. Y is equal to x plus 3 by 2 is tangent. Don't unnecessarily simplify it further. Just leave it there only. That is better. Now, if you see the slope of tangent is 1, what will be the slope of normal? It is minus 1. Slope of normal is minus 1. Now, normal equation is, let me write it. Normal equation is y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. This is normal. So, this is tangent, this is normal. This is TGT, this is NML. For your clarity sake, I am writing them again in the boxes. What we did is, tangent equation is S1 is equal to 0. When is S1 is equal to 0 correct? If the point is on the curve. Right. Once you get the tangent equation, normal equation is, you have already seen it. And now, coming back to next question, that is seventh question. Please look at the seventh question. This is a recent question for you. I am writing it. Find k if 1, 2 and k minus 1 are conjugate with respect to y square is equal to 8x. Look at the question. Find k if 1, 2, k minus 1 are conjugate with respect to the parabola y square is equal to 8x. What are conjugate points? Conjugate points means polar of first point passes through the second point, or the polar of second point passes through the first point. First understand conjugate points. The meaning of conjugate points is same for all the four curves. You need not worry about separate things. Everywhere for ellipse, hyperbola, parabola and circle, the meaning of conjugate is same, and here he is telling these 2 points are conjugate. We have to find k. What we will do? We will write the polar of this. What is the equation of polar? S1 is equal to 0. Once you get polar equation with this, we will put k minus 1 in this. That's it. We have the answer. Let us see. Please, I am putting step by step. You see. Now clarity, for your clarity, I am putting all the steps once again. Given parabola is y square is equal to 8x. Polar of 1, 2 is S1 is equal to 0. Polar of 1, 2 is S1 is equal to 0. So S1 is equal to 0 means y into 2 is equal to 4 into x plus 1. Leave it here only, don't simplify it. Y is equal to 2 into x plus 1. This is polar. I will call it as 1. Don't again multiply and arrange everything. It's enough to keep it in this manner only. Now it is passing through k minus 1. It is passing through k minus 1. Why? Because 1, 2 and k minus 1 are conjugate points. So polar of this passes through this, polar of this passes through this. Now I will put k minus 1 in its place. Minus 1 is equal to 2 into k plus 1. Minus half is k plus 1. K is minus 1 by 2. K is minus 3 by 2. K is minus 3 by 2. K is minus 3 by 2. Very important short answer question. Please see. For your practice question, 8th one, I will give a practice question to you. Please do it on your own. It's better you. 1, 1 and K3 are conjugate with respect to y square is equal to 7x. Find k. I just gave you a practice question. You do it on your own. This is a practice question. Please find it on your own. 9th objective question. 9th one. Let us go to 9th one. If the lines 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. If the lines, 9th one. If the lines 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus y plus k is equal to 0 are conjugate with respect to y square is equal to 8x, find k. Find k. This is a very important this thing. Two lines L1x plus M1y plus N1. Second line L2x plus M2y plus N2. Look at this. Two lines, I write them separately. L1x plus M1y plus N1 is equal to 0. L2x plus M2y plus N2 is equal to 0 are conjugate with respect to y square is equal to 4ax. If in very short answer questions, you need not have to produce all the details. Just write the result and do it. If I'll put it here carefully. L1 N2 plus L2 N1 is equal to 2a M1 M2. Look at the condition carefully. It's important. I write it again. L1 N2 plus L2 N1 is 2a M1 M2. Look at the condition very carefully. Now my L1 is 2. Now let us put all these things in the equation so that we have the answer. Only just it's an application of the formula. No need to do any creative work in this. Look at this. I write the condition here on the main frame again. L1 L2 plus L2 N1 is 2a M1 M2. Now your L1 is 2. Your N2 is 1. Your L2 is 1. Your N1 is your L1 is 2. Your L2 is k plus 1 into your N1 is 4. 2a, 2 into a is 4. M1 is 3. M2 is 1. This is total condition. 2k plus 4 is 8 to 24. 2k is 20. K is 5. K is 5. Please look at this. 2k plus here